In today's video, we will be talking about Canva, how to use text-to-image feature. Now, this feature, text-to-image, will be located in Magic Studio, wherein this is also a new feature in Canva where you will be able to find all the different AI of Canva. Now, this text-to-image feature is Canva's AI image generator, where you could produce different types of images. And it can be found within Magic Media over here, as you can see. You are able to turn your text or your prompt into images, and similarly with video. So if you click on text to image, it will show you an instructions over here on how it would work. This will allow you to cut down on hours spending sketching or searching for an image. You're simply going to describe the image that you're thinking of and it will appear. You can also make edits for more accuracy. So let's click on try it out so that we could check out how it would work. Now, the process is very similar to how you will be able to also create a video, which is the text to video feature, but we're going to focus on the image for now. That's very simple. You have your prompt over here on the left side. This is where you're going to put in your prompt. And then you have your different styles over here. These are not all the styles available. There are more styles. If you click on see all, you are able to have some photography styles over here, some digital arts, there is some fine arts, and those are the three types of styles that you could basically create using the Magic Media. So for us, let's actually go with the vibrant. And let me zoom out a bit. There we go. And what we're going to do is we're going to choose our aspect ratio. Let's go with landscape. Then simply put in the prompt that you want over here. Let's say I want to see dogs running through the beach during sunset. Then simply click on create your image and you will be able to generate 4 different sets of images. Now, out of these 4 sets, you could choose one or you could even choose all of them. But you have 4 sets so that you have 4 different options to choose from. So if ever you don't like the first generation, you don't need to generate it over and over again for you to get the output that you want. But there you go, you have your output over here. Let's put our image into our design over here. It has a very high quality output. Zoom in over here. Let's zoom into our thing. There we go. It has a very realistic output. We have our second one over here as well. Very high quality. Then our third one, this has less dogs. Then our fourth one over here. A very pretty and amazing output. And that's basically it, guys. So depending on your prompt, of course, and depending on your style, it will change and vary on the output. But that is how you will be able to use Canva's text-to-image feature. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.